I recently started using the AR28 Ultrasound Rodent Repellent, and I'm genuinely impressed with how effective and practical it is. I was looking for a reliable way to keep rodents away from my car engine bay, and this device turned out to be a smart investment. The first thing I appreciate is its dual-action protection system. By combining ultrasonic waves with flashing LED strobe lights, it creates an environment that mice, rats, squirrels, and other small animals can't stand. Since installing it, I've noticed no signs of rodent activity under my hood, which gives me real peace of mind. Another strong point is the flexibility in power supply. The Air 28 offers three options: running on 4 AA batteries, which lasted surprisingly long for me, USB power with a 5 to 12 volt adapter, or direct connection to the vehicle's power supply under the hood using the included DC cable. This versatility makes it easy to adapt to different setups, whether for car use or home protection. Overall, the AR28 Ultrasound Rodent Repellent has proven to be a dependable, safe, and versatile solution for keeping rodents at bay. I would highly recommend it to anyone dealing with unwanted critters around cars, garages, or storage spaces. It offers excellent value, peace of mind, and easy usability, all in one compact device.